Ever wondered what tools professional hackers and cybersecurity experts actually use? Today, I am breaking down the top 5 free tools that every ethical hacker must know. Not just what they are, but how they work and why they matter. If you are serious about cybersecurity, don't miss this one. Nmap, short for Network Mapper, is the go-to tool for recalling cells. It does help in scanning networks, discover hosts, detect open ports and services. Great for identifying potential entry points or weak services in a system. And there is an alternative for Nmap, that is GenMap, for graphical view of scans, specifically helpful for beginners. Think of Nmap as your radar system, scanning the terrain before launching any ethical hacking missions. When you need to know exactly what is happening in the network, Wireshark is your best friend. It captures and analyzes packets in real time, and there are different use cases for this, like detecting clear text passwords, analyzing suspicious traffic, reverse engineering protocols. The real world example for this is monitoring HTTP traffic to see unencrypted login credentials or cookies. Wireshark let you see everything, even what your victim's browser is whispering to the server. The Swiss Army knife of exploitation, that is Metasploit framework. It allows you to develop and execute exploit code against a target system. It has several features like huge libraries of exploits, payloads, and auxiliary modules integrated with Nmap and Nexus. Use MSFVRM to craft custom payloads. Metasploit is like a cheat code, but one used by professionals to test and harden systems. Web application pentester, this one for you. Burford Community Edition is completely free and used to intercept, manipulate, and test HTTP/HTTPS traffic. It has several key features like intercept proxy, repeater for manual testing, and decoder and comparer tools. It can be used in modifying cookies or headers, testing for SQL injection, cross-site scripting, IDOS, and all the different kind of vulnerabilities. Combine it with browser plugins like Foxy Proxy for smoother operations, and Burf will let you talk to a website the way a hacker would, with full control over the conversation. Once you have captured the password hashes, this is your go-to tool. It can crack password hashes using brute force or dictionary attacks, and there are several supported hashes like MD5, SHA-1, bcrypt, and even ziprr passwords. Real world use cases are like testing password strengths on your own systems, and John doesn't knock, it breaks. You should also explore tools like SQL Map, Hydra, Dash Search, Dirtbuster, Nikto for specific attack vectors. But the five mentioned today form the essential toolkit for any ethical hacker who is just starting. As we all know, with great power comes great responsibility. So use these tools in legal environments, on your own systems, bug bounty platforms, or authorized engagements. Always follow responsible disclosure practice and consider joining platforms like Try Help Me, Hack the Box, Pentester Labs to practice legally. These tools are free, but mastering them can make you a priceless asset in cybersecurity. So start slow, practice ethically, and never stop learning.